through the game. 10 minutes. Score is still 2-1. Drop the puck. Drop the puck. All right, be ready, Jacob. Make him pay. Oh, too much air. Too much on that backhander. All right, Jakey. You got time. Now chase it, chase it, chase it. There you go, Matthew. Got the guys right out in the middle. Good job. Bouncing puck. Oh, just a little too much air. There you go, there you go. Put it right out there in the center. Come chase it down. All right, what are you gonna do with it, Jacob? It's an open shot. There you go, up the boards. Good job, guys. There you go, Jacob. Jacob, way to stay with it. Right at the buzzer. 3-1. Good job, buddy.